Question number 27 of test series 11 is from steel structures, and in this question it is asked to match the list A with list B, where list A corresponds to the various type of beams and list B comprises of their collapse load. So if we talk about a fixed beam with center point of loading, then the possible formation of mechanism is that theta 1 here, theta 2 here, since it is acting at the center point, as a result of which theta 1 is equal to theta 2. We are talking about case A first. So by applying method of virtual work, we can write if MP is the plastic moment capacity, MP into theta 1 plus MP into theta 2 plus, at this point rotation is theta 1 plus theta 2. So we can write MP into theta 1 plus theta 2, that should be equal to external work, and external work is given by work force, that is W, multiply by this displacement, which is L by 2 multiply by tangent of theta 1, and for small theta, tan theta can be approximated as theta. So from this equation W comes out to be 8 MP upon L. Similarly, if we talk about a fixed beam with uniformly distributed load, in this case if we draw the deflected profile, it will be something like this. External work will remain same, that is 1 by 2 into L into theta into L by 2 into W. Now this W, this L just comes from the area of this triangle, because now this entire area that will be getting deflected because of acting of this uniformly distributed load. So we have to write this area of triangle multiply by this W, where W is small w multiply by L, and this should be equal to MP theta 1 equal to theta 2, and this is theta 1 plus theta 2. So multiply by MP, 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 and theta 1 is equal to theta 2. So it's this side become, that is work done by internal forces become MP multiply by 4 into theta, which upon simplification yields W to be 16 MP upon L. If we talk about the third case, which is the case of a propped cantilever, now in case of propped cantilever, everything will remain same as that of this case, but difference being that only point A and point B will be contributing towards internal moments. Since point C, which is propped, it is having pin joint here, so no moment will be generated at pin joint. So this thing will reduce to W into L by 2 into theta, that is same as concentrated load, but it will become equal to MP multiply by theta 1 plus MP multiply by theta 1 plus theta 2 at point B, and no third term for corresponding to point C will come, because as I already mentioned, no moment is getting generated, which upon simplification yields W to be 6 MP upon L. Now if we talk about the third case, that is last case, in which a simply supported beam is given. Now in simply supported beam, since load is acting at the center point, neither point A will be contributing towards generation of MP, neither point B will be contributing towards generation of internal moment. Only point C will undergo rotation of theta 1 plus theta 2, theta 1, theta 2, and theta 1 equal to theta 2 if W is acting at center point. So this is L by 2, L by 2. So we can write MP into theta 1 plus theta 2 only for point C, and it is equal to W into L by 2 into theta. So W comes out to be 4 MP upon L. So correct match is given by Option D.